From Simple Human, this clearly is a product that gets a lot of use in this household. And let me show you exactly what it is. This is a mirror, not any type of mirror. Look at that, traveling, standing mirror. And not only that, but once I turn it on, let me just push the button right here, I can look at that beautiful magnifying mirror that has a halo light around it, perfect to apply makeup, do your skincare routine. And then once you are done, you turn it off just like that, and it's ready to be packaged right there again and closed. I love this heavy duty mirror. It's perfect for travel and home use. You can recharge it here via USB, and it is extremely, the hinges, everything is really well built on it. And look at that, fits perfectly back into its case, just like that. Close it up, and you're ready for the next use. It's ideal, it's great, and we use it all the time.